you want to take up fashion designing. There is an institute called National Institute of Fashion Technology. This is an area where so many people have not ventured. So, after directly class 12, you can do this. And next is Bachelor of Physical Education. Where is that all girls is not here? Judo lady, or Judo lady is there. For this Bachelor in Physical Education. One is after BA, but you need to take Physical Education as your elective paper. And the nearest we have is at Palisagar, Regional College of Physical Education. You study BA with Physical Education as an elective paper, and for 2 years you will do BPA. And we have MPhil and PhD program in Khumpui University. This is also an area where most of them have not taken. And the class 12 entry, there is an institute, one of the best institute I would say, is the Lakshmi Bai National Institute of Physical Education, which is located in Bhopal. And they have a center in Guwahati. That institute have a center in Guwahati. And also National Sports University in Manipur. So these are schools for those who want to pursue in physical education. Do you have any question?